In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new email account in GoDaddy with Microsoft 365. If you want a professional email address that matches your domain, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the setup clearly so you can create your mailbox without confusion and get everything ready to use. To begin, sign in to your GoDaddy account and head to your My Products page. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and email products. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Email and Microsoft 365. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area because this is where you'll manage business email accounts associated with your domain. When you locate that section, click either Setup or Add User, depending on what appears on your screen. The exact button can vary a little based on whether this is your first mailbox or if you're adding another user to an existing email plan. Either way, both options will take you into the email creation process. Next, choose the domain name you want to use for the new email address. If you have more than one domain in your account, be careful to select the correct one. After that, enter the email address you want to create. For example, you might use something simple and professional, such as contact@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, or your name, if this mailbox is for personal business use. Try to choose an address that's easy to remember and fits the purpose of the account. You'll then be asked to assign a password. Create a strong password that's difficult to guess and easy for you to store securely. A good practice is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. Since this is sensitive information, don't share it publicly and make sure to save it somewhere secure so you can log in later without issues. Once everything looks correct, click Create to activate the mailbox. At that point, GoDaddy will finish setting up your new Microsoft 365 email account. After the setup is complete, your mailbox will be ready for use and you can move on to signing in through Outlook or any supported mail app. That's it. Your professional email address is now created and connected to your domain through GoDaddy and Microsoft 365.